Hey guys, it's Ashleen. I've just thrown together this all drugstore makeup look. All of it I either bought in Kmart, Target, Priceline, or a pharmacy, Big W as well. I think I got some of the stuff. A lot of the stuff I always buy when it's on special. I've been watching some YouTube videos and a lot of them use really nice high-end products, and I thought, well, being in Australia, high-end products, if you want a really, really nice high-end product, you have to spend a lot of money. This is using really affordable products and you can still get a really nice look with it. So, just follow along, make sure you like and subscribe, share it with your friends, share it with other mums, share it with people on a budget, and I will see you guys around. Hey guys, it's Ashleen. I am going to be doing a full talk through makeup tutorial using only drugstore products or products that you can get in the pharmacy or Priceline. I've already primed my face using the L'Oreal L'Oreal Infallible Lumizing primer. I've used it around the perimeters of my face because it does show up my pores quite a lot. Then I have used the Australis See You Later Pores Primer, which is sort of like, it's a dimethicone silica based one, and it just sort of fills in all the, the sins and the big areas. I'm going to try, for the first time today, Models Prefer Liquid Foundation in the colour Sand Beige. That's it there. I have never used this. This is oil-free, fragrance-free. It has got a matte finish, but it's supposed to be full coverage. So we're going to see. I hope it's the right colour. Yeah, we might be okay. Oh, it's a pretty good colour. I think I put too much on. We're going to blend it in using a Real Techniques blending sponge. I'm going to go and get my... Oh, it smells really nice. That's nice. I've been watching YouTubers all day trying to find something that I can do that's different. And you know, because in Australia makeup is so expensive, I thought, why not just get... Just going to check something. I'm just going to try and help you guys out with products that you can get easily and that you can get when they're on special, that still gives you that will still give you a really nice finish. So far, I'm really liking this foundation. I mean, it's late in the day because I had Pilates this morning and I've been to the doctor's today because I have tendonitis, hence why my wrist is all taped up. So I must do a full day wear test, but I'll have to do that on a weekend when I'm not working and when I haven't got stuff on. I don't know if you can hear like a funny sort of buzzing noise in the background, but it's my tumble dryer because it's cold outside and I just wanted to get there's a couple of blankets, like throw blankets that I have that I wanted to get done, and they're not going to dry. It was quite cold outside this morning and they're not going to dry. You just have to beg my pardon for a minute while that you can hear it. Oh, I'll have to go and get my concealer. 1 second. Ugh. Sorry. So I am using the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Dark Circle Eraser in the colour Fair. I'm nearly out, but I always keep a spare because these went out of stock in Australia for a little while. So I wasn't going to let that happen to me again. Just going to pop this on my dark circles. I am nearly out of this, but still got quite a bit in it. It's creamy. It's easy to blend. It's easy to apply. It's easy to tell when you're just about to run out of it. It's affordable. Really isn't much else that I can say. It's very nice. But this is all stuff that I've bought in Priceline, to be honest with you. I know you can get it at Kmart and Target. Big W sell it. But I always buy my makeup when Priceline has their 40% off sales. So if you get onto the Priceline website or their mailing list, they will tell you when they're just about ready to have another sale. And I always make myself a little list. I go through all my makeup and check what I need and what I don't need, you know. So that's all that. I am going to set it all down using the Rimmel Stay Matte Long Lasting Pressed Powder. I'm just using the transparent one because I don't want to add any more colour to my face. That's the wrong brush. Clean. This is an e.l.f. Total Face brush that I'm using. Doesn't go anywhere. But I don't want to look too powdery. Like I said in previous videos, I am on medication which makes my skin very dry. I actually don't produce sebum or oil anymore because of my ongoing issues. Since I was about 13, I have had really, really bad skin. So I'm now 33 and I'm just finally medicated properly for it. Oh, that's a good look, isn't it? The hair. Right, that's all done. All locked in. We're going to bronze / contour using an e.l.f. bronzing brush. See how it's sort of tapered, so you just use it up the face like that. Easy enough to do. This is a L'Oreal Glam Bronze. And it says Blonde Harmony on the back. I didn't ever know that that was there. That's how much notice I take of things. Just sort of swirling motions because I don't really want to contour per se. I just want to warm my face up a bit. My mirror's down here. The viewfinder's here. It's just going to get used to using a better camera than I was using, and it's hard because I know I've got to look at the viewfinder and not like at the actual camera itself. I don't know. Shows you I'm not very technology. I'm technology illiterate. I had to get my husband to set it up and show me how to use it. Even after reading the instructions, I still couldn't do it. Anyway. I'm going to use Maybelline Fit Me Blush in medium mauve. This is the old packaging, but I mean it's still blush. So just gonna. I don't even know. I think this is an Arbonne brush, but it's my favourite brush because it's the right size for my little cheeks. Once that bit's done, I'm going to put my highlighter on it in a little while. Using a Fifth Avenue, this one you can get at Kmart. Eyebrow brush, just a little spoolie on the back. I have no idea of the colour because it's rubbed off, but that's it. I'm going to do my eyebrows off of camera and I will be right back. So, eyebrows are on, a bit darker, a bit thicker, and a bit more than what I normally do, but they turned out okay. I am going to very quickly dust over just one colour on my eyelid, which I am using the Blushed Nudes by Maybelline, which is this very cute little palette here. I'm going to be using this matte mauve. I I'm going to dust it all over my eyelid using an e.l.f. eyeshadow. Oh, it's a blending brush, but it's a nice fat one, so that's what I'm going to do. All over my entire lid. It's just like a wash of colour. I'm going to use this really light pink shimmery one just here under my brow bone. I don't know if I pointed to the right one or not. It's this one. And I'm just going to pop it under my brow bone. I'm going to do my other eye to this same point off of camera and I'll be back. Wait for me to focus. So both eyes, and I went back and I built the colour up because I wasn't, come on you stupid camera, focus. That's better. So I went back and I just sort of built the colour up a little bit. And that's what we're at right now. I'm going to get a sort of flat eyeshadow brush, they call it. It's an e.l.f. one again. I'm going to take the colour straight underneath the one I used on my eyelid. So it's like a real purple burgundy almost, and it's got a sheen, it's like a shimmery sheen to it. I'm just going to run that under the lower lash line. I don't want to do too much because then it'll look like I've got an eye infection or something. Just a little bit. Not a lot of pigment. You really have to work hard to get that colour payoff with it. But I mean, if you build it up slowly, and you always start slowly, you're not going to make as many mistakes, nearly as many. I'm going to run some NYX eyeliner. Now this is the NYX Retractable eyeliner in the colour Gypsy Blue. I'm going to do that off of camera really quickly. I'm going to do upper and lower lash line with it, and I'll be back. So I have lined my upper and lower lash line using the NYX pencil in, I think it's called Gypsy Blue. I used Rimmel Extra Long Lash Mascara on my upper and lower lashes. I'm going to use for highlight today, this is the Australis strobe lights. It's just like a set. I'm going to use the pinky coloured one today. Seems that's the theme we seem to be going with, even though I don't normally wear pink. So it's a nice change for everyone. Right, so that was the Australis Strobe Lights Illuminating Powder. I'm going to use NYX Butter Gloss in the colour Creme Brulee. And that's all I'm putting on my lips because they're so stupidly dry. We're just going with a nude. There we go. That is the final look. So that was my all drugstore thrown together quick makeup look. So I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video. Thanks for watching, guys.